Hey guys, I'm Shayan and you welcome to my channel. So this is a special day because we are starting our robotic building series. So you have seen our shorts, our videos, and you asked me how we can make that. So we are here, but at first you should know some things about our tools. So jump in. Okay, first off, I bought two pieces of Esp32-CAM for just $8. And next we need a classic breadboard for put everything on it. It's just about $3. And then we need to jumper wires. So I bought 100 of them for just $6. No more messy cables. And after that we need energy with batteries, and I bought 8 of them for $20-30. And finally we need a motor, DC motor driver, and I bought them for $8. Okay guys, this is our toolkits. If you want to start this, you should go out and grab these toolkits. And so in the next episode 1 of our building series, we will have a good and best funny things. So please like and subscribe us, and we should jump in that robot. So see you in the next episode. Peace guys.